Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if Fortnite is available on your TCL 30 SE. So let's try finding it on Google Play Store first. We're gonna open our Google Play Store and search for Fortnite. As you can see, there's no Fortnite right here. And now let's check our other app. It's Epic Games Launcher. You can download this launcher from Epic Games Store website and then press get on this Fortnite right here. But sadly, device is not supported, so that means TCL 30 SE can't play the Fortnite. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.